tell you how to make a pouch. So it is my pouch that I have made before the video. So let's make it. First of all, take a rectangle page and take a page 2 and paste it to the both sides. I have pasted in both sides, see, 1 and 2. Now let's paste the cone of a unicorn. So I have pasted. Now let's paste flowers. You can take any color of flowers or change the colors, or do you want to? I have pasted the flowers, so I will paste the ears of the unicorn. See, the ears are done. Now let's make a lock of this flower. Add a line and like this is T shape. So make a T-shaped lock. Now take 2 papers and circle them. Now I have pasted them before you. Put them like this. I am putting them first and then I will paste. So now I have pasted and I have made the lock. So when you will open, I have take two. So in one I have put this and in other I will put this. Now, if it is longer, I will fix it after the piece. Make the eyes of the unicorn. You can make open eyes or close eyes. I'm making close eyes. So, our unicorn pouch is done. I will fix it after the video, so I will open this one that I have made before the video. Wait, I have opened it. There is a cloud. And there is another thing. Wait.